Okay, today we are gonna discuss some nursing competition exam questions and answers in this video. Before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Okay, so here it is. The first question is which of the following is the most common psychotic illness in India? Option first, schizophrenia, second, personality disorder, third, endogenous depression, and option 4, BPAD, that is bipolar affective disorder. So choose your answer. Answer is endogenous depression. Now second question. Second question is suicide rate for risk of suicide is high in patients with option first mania, second major depression, third paranoid schizophrenia, and fourth substance abuse disorder. So risk of suicide is high in patient with major depression because suicide rate for severe depression is up to 13 to 15% in severe depression. And the severity of depression episode depends upon four basic factors: number of symptoms of depression, second, severity of depression, third, degree of associated distress, and last one, disturbance in daily life. So answer is major depression. Now move on to the next question. Next question is helplessness, hopelessness, worthlessness are the characteristic feature of which disease? Options are schizophrenia. Acute distress disorder, depression, and BPAD. It is bipolar affective disorder, as I said before. So correct answer is again depression, because in depression patient feels helpless, worthless, hopeless, and lose interest in daily life activities also. So answer is depression. Now move on to the next question. Next question is prevalence of suicide is high among patients with schizophrenia, personality disorder, mood disorder, and neurotic stress related disorder. So answer is mood disorder. Next question is the significant neurotransmitter that is believed to be involved in major depression is options are serotonin, dopamine, acetylcholine, and GABA. So answer is serotonin because serotonin is the main neurotransmitter that is believed to be involved in major depression. Next is 25-year-old woman complains of intense depressed mood for 6 months with inability to enjoy previously pleasurable activities. These symptoms is known as options are anhedonia, apathy, evolution, and amotivation. So answer is anhedonia. Next is which of the following is not true about major depressive disorder? Options are completely seen in females, recovery is complete after treatment, associated with hypothyroidism, and family history of major depression. So which of the following is not true? Okay, so we have to focus on not true. So its correct answer is second. Completely seen in females? No, it's second. Its correct answer is second. Recovery is complete after treatment. This is wrong about depression because it's the correct answer second. Okay, guys.